when I worked at Broadband TV, like everything, the whole business was started as us monetizing content for creators, and then we layered services on top of that to help them monetize, and then I went and advised creators as well to help them monetize, and it's really really clear to me what the best sources of revenue are. So the number one best source for any content creator is affiliate revenue, without question. So, what do I mean by affiliate revenue? Literally every software platform and platforms like Amazon, as an example, have an affiliate program. And also all types of services, from food delivery services to Uber to your password manager to your every piece of hardware and everything for sale on Amazon and other sites, newegg.com. Literally everything you can buy is pretty much in an affiliate program somewhere. And so what you do is you create a piece of content related to that piece of that product or that service, and you get people's attention with an informative and educational piece of content related to that. It could even be about the product if you want it to be, and you provide value. And you create an evergreen video that can be watched for 5 years from now that answers an important question and teaches somebody something. And in that video, you tell them if they're interested in purchasing such and such product related to this video, there's a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, and I get a small cut if you end up buying using my link. That is the number one easiest way to make recurring revenue and significant recurring revenue as a content creator. So, as somebody just on my own, creating videos on my AWOL digital channel, one of like seven or something I have, just with 200,000 views per month. How much money per month do you think I was making in affiliate revenue just on Amazon? 200,000 views per month. It's not that much. $10,000 per month US just in Amazon affiliate revenue. What? So if it was so with that number of views, just with YouTube revenue, you'd make like $1,000 per month with your US audience. But if you have affiliate revenue, you make way more money. And check this out. I haven't released a new video on any of my channels. I haven't recorded a new video for my affiliate revenue in over a year since I joined Illuvium. Every month, it still pays me $4,000 per month in passive income just from the videos that are just sitting on the internet. And I have done nothing over the last year to contribute to that revenue. Now, he was at 10,000, and now that I completely ignore that business, it's declined to 4,000. But that's all affiliate revenue. So the point of sharing that is to say that affiliate revenue creates consistent month over month revenue that can pay your bills and create a foundation for your media business. Do you use any products? Yes. There's an affiliate program for that. The best affiliate programs are number one, Amazon's influencer and partnership program. Number one, that's by far number one. Number two, impact.com. So impact.com is an affiliate website that has partnerships with every company that does affiliate programs, basically. And so I guarantee you there's a bunch of products in there that you like, that you could talk about, where you could make revenue, affiliate revenue off of recommending. So number one is affiliate revenue without question. And guys, I'm not trying to brag about how much money I made or something like that. That's not what it's about for me, really. I did that at that time because I had quit my executive job over at that publicly traded media company, and I needed a way to pay the bills. And I had learned how to do affiliate marketing, and I had taught creators how to do it. And I decided, why not make money using the techniques I've taught other people? So affiliate number one. Number two, best type of revenue is sponsorships. So sponsorship revenue from brands is great. So you can make recurring monthly sponsorships with brands that you like, where you like their equipment and what have you. These light bulbs up here and the lights in the background that you see here, it's from a company called Govee. Govee paid me $3,000 per month or something, $2 or $3,000 per month to promote their products on Amazon and to make tutorial videos and shit like that. Plus, they paid me affiliate revenue on top of that. This one partnership, me just talking about these lights, I think I made like $40,000 off of that. Just me talking about fucking lights, dude. So sponsorships are incredible, and you can either get an agency to get you sponsorships. There are also sponsorship platforms that will connect brands with partners. YouTube is starting to do that. Amazon is starting to do that. And there's a number of websites you can go to out there where you can put in your channel, put in your data, and they will come to you. The sponsors will come to you and solicit you for sponsored videos or sponsored mid rolls on your channel. Just an instant infusion of cash into your business so that you can not just pay your bills, but maybe build your business faster. So sponsorships are number two. And then number three would be recurring subscription revenue, I would say. And so what do I mean by that? I mean platforms like Patreon, Twitch subs, YouTube channel members, soliciting your hardcore audience to provide you recurring monthly subscription revenue. If you can get off of those platforms and you can create your own on your own website, obviously that's better. But that recurring subscription revenue is something you can count on and hit on a regular basis. Those are the top three revenue streams: affiliate revenue, sponsorship revenue, and recurring subscription revenue, with affiliate revenue being by far number one source of revenue for creators that's underlooked and is underutilized. And you don't have to go chase a bunch of views to get YouTube partnership, or people are like, I need, yay, I got Twitch partnership. It's like, who cares? You're not going to be able to make a living with that. You need to go get affiliate revenue and sponsorships if you want to make a living.